Good morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but now that it's September 1st, 2021, and we are sitting here with really just 4 months to go till the end of the year. It's just amazing the ride we've had this year. And if you're anything like me, you've gone to CoinMarketCap so many times you can press the letter C and you're right there on the site. And of course, you wake up in the middle of the night and you look at your crypto. And what do you see? Ethereum acting up like again. And you just gotta ask yourself, is it Christmas 2021? No, it's just September 21st. And here we are looking at a $3,500 Ethereum. Isn't it wonderful? Folks, we are looking at only $700 and we are right back at the highest point that Ethereum has ever been. Let's just get to it. Let's dig into it. I don't know how long it's going to hold. I don't know if it's going to fall. I still maintain my price prediction. $8,000. Is it possible? Is it possible that Ethereum could surge right here in the last 4 months and go crazy, nutso, right at the end of this year? We certainly have all the elements. If we look at the graph, we look and see we could possibly be at the beginning of a surge for Ethereum going all the way to 8,000. We've got all the pieces in place. We've got them talking about it in Congress. We've got an infrastructure bill that basically they're throwing around large sums of money. We've got our own theory that the United States is getting ready to take its own position purchasing cryptocurrency, because if they weren't talking about it in Congress, my goodness, they're recognizing it as a legitimate asset. That's why they want to put some protocols as far as taxation on it. We got all the pieces that we need. We've got all the major banks looking at crypto as a viable means of investing your money. We've got infrastructure being built around the utilization of it, from everything from NFTs to video games to just, normal websites accepting Ethereum and Bitcoin as payments for goods and services. What else could you ask for? Well, how about a $4,000 or a $5,000 before close of business 2021 in September? It could happen. We're looking at it. This is exciting. It doesn't get any better than this. And we want to keep our eye on this. If you believe that Ethereum is going to hit $5,000 before close of business September 30th, I would love for you to leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me why you believe or don't believe that Ethereum could hit $5,000 before the end of September. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you're continuing to invest in cryptocurrency. Of course, this is not financial advice, but I'm going to tell you folks, it's common sense. Don't get left behind. Don't get left out. Keep your eyes peeled. Watch this channel. Subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.